I get asked lots of great questions and I'm doing a series of answering for you guys. And one of them is, in reality, do I actually need a website to start? In this day and age of social media where everybody needs to be online and I need to prove who I am, do I need a website to start? The answer is going to surprise you. No, you don't. No, you really don't. I actually didn't have a website, which was a bit lax, I have to say, until we'd done 22.5 million quid's worth of property. And we ended up doing 45 million quid's worth of property, sourced for an agreed purchase price of 30 million quid. So no, it didn't stop me. But what I did make sure that my social media was fairly up to date. So LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and a Facebook page, a business Facebook page as well, and obviously Instagram. And they were cohesive, they were giving the same messages. So no, you don't need a website to start. So in the early days, if budget is tight, don't spend it on a website. You know, just get some business cards and make a whole load of phone calls, quite frankly. Later on, it would probably, and we're going to duck. You ready? We're getting out to the pier. There we are. No stopping us, is there? Later on, you might well want to get yourself a nice website, but early doors, I'd rather you just had business cards and you made loads and loads and loads of phone calls to investors to get your business running forward. So that might be quite useful to you to know that you don't need to be this perfect business to start. No, you don't need a website to start, but if you don't have a website, make sure your social media is definitely on point. Like the video if that's useful, send it to somebody else who's about to waste a whole load of money starting a business, making their website beautiful, which can be a little bit of a delayed procrastination, can't it? Because then they spend all their money on the website and not all their, making it look gorgeous. But a website is quite static these days, and really it's making your investor come to you, which is about you putting the energy and doing the work. So I'd rather you spent the time making the phone calls. So maybe send it to somebody who's just going through that question right now, and subscribe to the channel, and also hop onto my website. It's thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. There are tons of downloadable, brilliant resources for you there, and good luck. Subscribe to the YouTube channel so you see all the videos first.